Hello everyone. In this session, we will talk about creating RESTful APIs in Express.js. In our last session, we talked about APIs. We get to know about REST APIs, methods, and HTTP standards. Before we proceed with the first ensure we have Node.js installed in our machine. You can run node space -v or npm space -v. It will give us the installed node npm version. If node is installed, then we can proceed to make our mini RESTful API project. Now let's start with creating a project directory. Just run the command mkdir space the name of the folder. In our case, the name of the folder is hello world API separated by hyphen. Then you need to go inside the folder using the command cd hello world API. In step third, initialize a new npm project by running the command npm space init or npm space init hyphen hyphen y or hyphen hyphen years. It will ask for few details like project name, version, author, and the Git related information. Now you have two ways to initialize the npm project. Either provide all the details asked by npm init or simply add hyphen hyphen y or hyphen hyphen yes at the end of npm init command. Initializing the npm project with hyphen hyphen yes option means you want to add the project details later or manually. npm init command will generate a package.json file inside your project directory. You can update this file anytime. Since we are building REST APIs with the Express.js, so we have to install Express at the first place. The npm command to install any module or dependency is npm I, then the name of the module or the dependency. In our case, we want to install Express, so the command will be npm I or npm install Express. How to test your REST APIs? We will be using REST client software to test our REST APIs. You can use Postman Advanced REST Client. There are many others, but among all, Postman is most popular. You can download Postman from www.getpostman.com. So in this demo, we will be creating 6 different routes for create, read, update, delete operation on customer's resource.